In the age of Treta Yuga, when the earth was burdened by the arrogance of kings and the cries of the oppressed echoed in the heavens, there arose a warrior sage, Parshurama, the sixth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Om Parashuramaya Namah. Parshurama was born to sage Jamadagni and Renuka Devi. He carried the calmness of a sage and the fire of a warrior. From childhood, he mastered the Vedas yet wielded weapons with unmatched skill. But destiny tested him cruelly. Once, the mighty king Kartavirya Arjuna, swollen with arrogance, seized Kamadhanu, the divine cow, from their ashram. When Saj Jamadagni protested, the king slew him mercilessly. Adharma, Vadate Rajye, Dharmo Raksate Raksita. When Adharma rises in a kingdom, Dharma must rise to protect the world. Renuka wept. The heavens shook, and in that moment, Parshurama vowed to avenge his father, to destroy arrogance, and to restore justice. Before his grieving mother, Parshurama swore he would rid the world of arrogant kings. Armed with his divine axe, the Parshu, gifted by Lord Shiva himself, he set forth as a storm of justice. Dharma, Samstha Panarthya Sambhavami Yug Yuge. For the protection of Dharma, I descend in every age. He waged war 21 times, cleansing the earth of tyranny. Wherever injustice ruled, his axe fell like thunder. The mountains echoed with his roar, and the arrogant kings fell before his might. And when victory was won, he returned the lands to sages and the poor, ensuring peace once more. But Parshurama was not only a destroyer, he became a teacher. He passed the art of warfare to the greatest heroes of the Mahabharata era, Bhishma, Drona, and Karna. When Karna came to him disguised as a Brahmin, Parshurama blessed him and taught him all secrets of warfare. But one day, as Parshurama rested, a deadly scorpion bit Karna's thigh. Karna endured the pain silently, not wishing to disturb his guru. Realizing Karna was not a Brahmin but a Kshatriya, Parshurama's heart burned with betrayal. With sadness, he cursed Karna that in his final battle his knowledge would fail him. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Speak the truth, speak with honor, for deceit brings only sorrow. Parshurama never returned to the heavens. He remains eternal, roaming forests and mountains, waiting for the call of Dharma again. A sage, a warrior, a teacher, and a protector, Lord Parshurama is the immortal guardian of justice. Om Parashuramaya Namah.